Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, how often do you hear us say it's going to be really, really cold for the rest of the year? Now, obviously, the rest of the year doesn't take that much longer. It's over by the time we get to Monday, but that's still saying something. An impressive cold stretch on the way. In fact, as we look at our weather headlines, it will be below freezing for days. In fact, each and every day of my 7-day Futurecast, not even close to 32. They're all well below freezing there. And as we go into tomorrow, it's cold, no doubt about that, with our wind chills in the single digits at times, so it's winter jacket worthy, but it gets really cold by the time we get into Wednesday night and Thursday. That's when it gets frigid. Wind chills going below zero at times, especially as we head into late Wednesday morning and early Wednesday afternoon. Some gusts of around 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow's winds themselves, not actually that bad. Now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not tracking any precipitation. We are tracking a really nice view here in Newport on this day after Christmas. 21 your temperature in Narragansett, and definitely chilly in Coventry with a temperature of 19. We're at 7 right now in Smithfield, 18 Taunton, 20 New Bedford, and 22 in Westerly. So notice on the satellite picture, not much in the way of cloud cover, so that is one of the factors which will help those temperatures drop overnight. Also notice no major organized storms headed towards southern New England. What we do have, though, is very cold air just to our north, and we're already tapping to some of that right now. You can see those temperatures draining in here from Canada. Notice some of these numbers in the negative double digits. Now, I don't think we'll see temperatures quite that cold, but we do get a piece of it, especially tomorrow night as a reinforcing shot of cold air moves in along with those very gusty winds. So we're actually looking at wind chills, basically the feel-like temperatures, not actual temperatures, because these will be very important, really telling the weather story over the next couple days. So you're getting up early tomorrow morning. Maybe you have to work with our numbers in the single digits for feel-like temperatures. The sun comes out. It's out most of the day, but it doesn't do much. It's ineffective sunshine. 10 for a feel-like temperature in Providence, 7 Smithfield, 10 in Newport. This is at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then here comes the winds of change. Wind gusts pick up, and by the time we're waking up on Thursday morning, you could see negative double digits in places like Smithfield, Providence, Newport, Westerly. I think everybody at times on Thursday gets below zero with the wind chills and stays there for a good part of the day, as that sun once again is fairly ineffective in trying to warm things up. Okay, so we showed you the wind chills. Here are the actual temperatures now we're tracking overnight. Getting to around 12 in Providence, but outside of Providence, wouldn't be surprised if we get some single numbers in places like Providence, Rhode, just to the north of New Bedford. You could see those wind chills in Providence around 5 to 10 degrees, with some wind chills in places like Smithfield approaching the 0-degree mark. Again, these are actual temperatures for tomorrow. Not really that impressive if you're looking for the milder weather, right? 21 degrees at noontime, 22 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So essentially, it's a sunglasses and parka type of afternoon. Now it's on to Thursday. Now, because we have so many cold temperatures showing up in the 7-day Futurecast, there will be several opportunities to break some records. At this point, the most likely day, I think, would be on Thursday. Now, the low temperature record on Thursday morning is 4, set in 1950. I don't have us quite breaking that one, but the coldest high temperature on this date is 21. That was set in 1976. And the reason that this could happen is my current forecast for Thursday is in the teens. That's not for a low temperature. That's for a high temperature on Thursday afternoon. That kind of just gives you an idea of how cold this air mass will be. Now, as we head into the weekend, we will bring in the chance of some snow. It could be a significant storm. It could be a complete miss. Snow or no snow, what we are confident of is it's going to be cold. So that is something to keep in mind if you're heading to the Pats game. Kickoff temperature probably in the teens, with those gusty winds feeling even colder. Again, the jury is still out on the snow, but that cold is pretty much a lock. Good thing the Pats play well in the cold weather, right? And then as we head into New Year's Day, I also have some cold numbers in the forecast. 19 there on New Year's Day, with lows in the single digits. So people that are out there celebrating New Year's Eve, again, snow or no snow, we can plan on it being fairly cold. And yeah, I can't remember putting up a 7-day Futurecast where we don't have any temperatures at all, even close to freezing. And a lot of single digits showing up on the 7-day Futurecast as well. Of course, you can always get more updates on our app, and we'll be watching things very carefully tomorrow night into Thursday morning with that cold weather on the way.
How many people that were planning on going to Times Square for New Year's Eve are like, okay, change of plans, we're not doing this?
Exactly. Maybe just, you know, chilling at home by the fire instead of being outside.
Good idea, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Pete, thanks.
Yep.
Coming up next in Eyewitness News at 11, a car stuck on the tracks